a demonstration on how to use the P and the break tags. So let's go to our template file. And first I'm going to delete all these that I have right now. I'll leave the P tag. I'm going to delete the heading 3, 4, 5, and 6 because you can remember that. But pretty much every website has to have a heading 1 and a heading 2 because those are very important for Google and for SEO. That's how Google decides what's important, what is important on your page. Okay, so let's change this to Hello World, just to make it more like a real website. And I'm going to change this to Susan Metoxen's website. You put your own name in there, not my name. Website. Because I'm making a website about myself. Okay, now we get to the part where we demonstrate. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to say, what I want to get to is I want to say like this. My name is Susan. Put your own name in. And what I want to do is I want to have this on 2 lines, just to kind of be a little fancy. No dot, and my name is Susan, and I love to make websites. So let's see what that looks like, okay? Now I save it, Command C, refresh on the browser, and try it again, save, refresh. And now I see Hello World, H1 to H2, Susan Metoxen website. And then I typed in here, my name is Susan, and I love to make websites. Now, as you can see, when you use the P's, it puts quite a bit of space between these 2 lines here. And so another way to do that might be, I'll show you the alternative. So, because I don't want to have that, I don't want that much space, right? So actually I'm just going to, remember how we cut and paste? We do it all the time. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste this. Oh, I'm actually selecting and I'm not going outside of it. So copy and then paste. Now I have 2 of them, but I want to do something a little different with this one. Notice how I'm nesting the page, right? So now I have 2 of them, but on this other one, what I want to do is I want to not do a P break here. Instead of the P, I want to put a break in. So we just type in BR to make a break, and the BR is just as a line break. It's as simple as that. So now let's save it again and take a look here and refresh the page. And you see on this one, the P paragraph spacing made a lot of space between this line and that line, but I removed that. It went actually to its natural location directly underneath it instead of adding all the extra margin that comes with the P. So that's how sometimes when you're trying to do something and you don't want to have the extra paragraph space, you might just put a line break in, like on an address or something like that, where you don't want to have this much space between each line, but yet you want to force a line break.